Super cool. Alright guys, and welcome back to my channel. We do reviews on all sorts of cool products, hotels, and even make money online programs. But today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new solar fan. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review. Let's check it out. Here is the solar panel. This is to hook up the panel to it. The actual fan for it, it is a 12-inch fan. If you want to hook it up with the power adapter, you can do so. And then the quick guide to setting it all up along with the screws for it. So let's go ahead and open it up and test it out. All right, it's got these steel blades on there. It's where you will operate it. And then I do see right here that it does have a USB port, so that way you can charge any of your devices on there. Super cool. So as you can see, it does have some juice still in the battery. So it's pretty cool. So it goes all the way up to, looks like 12. That's cool. And then back to 1. So super low setting right there. But let's see if we can get the solar panel attached to it. Go ahead and take this out. This is what it looks like. And then it uses the same cable. Plug that in. Perfect. One thing that I did want to show about the fan is, like I said, it's got its own stand already, and then you can adjust it however you like. So you're able to adjust it for wherever you need it. If you're outside, garage, anything like that, just kind of set it up to where you need to. And then this is long enough to where if you're in the garage and you're trying to still get some air and it's got a low battery, you can still put this outside to get some sun, get that solar panel going. So let's go ahead and actually test it out. All right, so I didn't put the stand on it yet, but we are outside, and I just want to show you that it is charging it as we speak. Let me go ahead and focus on it right there. There's the battery actually going up, so very, very cool. And like I said, this is where you will control it to maybe put up more and get a little bit more air. You can see not too loud, but still enough to where if it's super hot where you're at, this will definitely help out. Like I said, you're able to move. I just kind of leaned it on here. It does come with a stand as well, but super cool solar fan. All right, and then I did just want to show that we're going to go ahead and test out the USB port back here. Plug in your iPad, phone. Just going to show my watch here real quick. There we go. Super cool. The whole point of this fan is that you're not tied to an outlet. The panel is 20 watts, so if you're sitting in direct sunlight, it can keep the battery charged while you're using it. Battery-wise, it has a big 15 milliamp hour battery built in. The runtime depends on how high you run it, but they claim 4,000 to 6,000 higher speeds and up to a whole day on low speeds. So if you're trying to get some airflow moving while you're outside or on a patio, or even during a power outage, it's actually made for that. And it's also pretty portable at just under 8 pounds. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. But if you guys are looking for a new solar fan, definitely consider. I'm gonna leave the link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.